Life in Kenya has never been simple, and in recent years many people have felt the pressure of rising prices, job uncertainty, and slow business growth. Food prices go up, fuel becomes expensive, and many families are forced to adjust their daily spending. In such times, people begin to think differently. They stop spending on luxury and focus only on what they truly need. This is where the idea of recession-proof businesses becomes very important. A recession-proof business is one that continues to earn money even when the economy is not doing well. It is built around basic human needs and daily habits that people cannot avoid. When money is tight, people still need food, water, shelter, healthcare, and simple services. These needs do not disappear. They remain strong, and sometimes they even increase. This is why choosing the right type of business can protect you from financial stress. Instead of starting a risky venture that depends on luxury spending, it is wiser to focus on something stable and essential. In Kenya, there are many opportunities that fall into this category, and they can be started with small or moderate capital, depending on your situation. One of the most reliable businesses is food supply. Food is something every person needs every single day. Whether the economy is good or bad, people must eat. In fact, during hard times, people shift from expensive meals to simpler and more affordable food. This creates a strong opportunity for anyone willing to supply vegetables, fruits, cereals, or even cooked meals. You can begin with as little as 5,000 Kenya shillings by buying vegetables from local markets and selling them in your neighborhood. With time, you can grow into a larger supplier or even open a small grocery shop. The key here is consistency and understanding what your customers need most. Another strong business is water supply. Clean drinking water is not a luxury. It is a basic need. In many parts of Kenya, especially in towns and estates, people rely on refilled water for daily use. Starting a water delivery service or a refill station can bring steady income. Even if you begin small by delivering water using a handcart or a motorbike, you can build a loyal customer base. With around 30,000 to 100,000 Kenya shillings, you can set up a simple operation and grow it over time. The beauty of this business is that customers come back again and again. Healthcare is another area that remains strong no matter what happens in the economy. People may delay buying clothes or electronics, but they will not ignore their health. A small pharmacy, a clinic, or even selling basic medical supplies can be a stable source of income. This business may require more capital and proper licensing, but it offers long-term security. Even selling items like pain relievers, vitamins, and first aid supplies can be a good start. Health will always be a priority. Mobile money services have also become a backbone of daily life in Kenya. People send and receive money, pay bills, and buy goods using mobile platforms. This makes mobile money agency services one of the most reliable businesses. Even during economic hardship, money still moves. People still need to pay rent, buy food, and support their families. With a starting float of about 50,000 Kenya shillings, you can begin as an agent and earn commissions from every transaction. Over time, this can grow into a very profitable venture. Cleaning services and detergent supply are also strong options. Hygiene does not stop because the economy is weak. In fact, people become more careful about cleanliness, especially in homes and workplaces. You can start by making and selling liquid soap, which requires low capital, or by offering cleaning services to homes and offices. With around 10,000 to 50,000 Kenya shillings, you can begin and slowly expand your operations. This business allows you to be creative and serve different types of customers. Housing is another essential need. People may struggle financially, but they still need a place to live. Affordable housing options such as single rooms and bedsitters are always in demand. If you have access to land or can invest in rental units, this can become a long-term income source. Even subletting or managing rental properties can bring steady earnings. The key is to focus on affordability, because that is what most people look for during tough times. The Mitumba business, which involves selling second-hand clothes, becomes even stronger during economic hardship. When people cannot afford new clothes, they turn to cheaper alternatives. This creates a huge market for second-hand clothing. With about 15,000 Kenya shillings, you can start small by selecting quality pieces and selling them in local markets or online. With consistency and good customer service, this business can grow quickly. Education and skill training also become important during difficult times. When jobs are scarce, people look for ways to improve their skills and increase their chances of earning. If you have knowledge in a certain area, you can teach others. This can be done physically or online. You can offer tuition, coaching, or digital skills training. The cost of starting is low, mainly requiring internet access and your expertise. Over time, this can turn into a strong and respected business. Delivery and logistics services have grown rapidly in Kenya. As more people buy goods online or prefer home delivery, the demand for transport services increases. Starting with a motorbike or even partnering with others can help you enter this business. It is flexible and allows you to earn daily income. Even small businesses need delivery services, making this a dependable option. Repair and maintenance services are often overlooked, but they are very powerful during a recession. When people cannot afford to buy new items, they choose to repair what they already have. This includes phones, electronics, furniture, and even household systems like plumbing and electricity. If you have technical skills, you can turn them into a steady source of income. This business requires skill more than capital, making it accessible to many people. Success in any of these businesses depends on more than just the idea. It requires discipline, consistency, and a deep understanding of your customers. You must learn to manage your money well, avoid unnecessary expenses, and reinvest your profits. Building trust with customers is also very important. When people trust you, they will return and even recommend you to others. It is also wise to use simple digital tools to grow your business. Social media platforms, mobile payments, and messaging apps can help you reach more customers and manage your operations easily. Even a small business can look professional and reliable when it uses the right tools. Another important factor is flexibility. The market can change quickly, and you must be ready to adjust. If one product is not selling well, find out why and make changes. Listen to your customers and observe trends. This will help you stay ahead and remain profitable. Many people fear starting a business during hard economic times, but the truth is that some of the best opportunities come during these periods. When others are afraid, those who are prepared and focused can build strong and lasting businesses. It is not about having a lot of money. It is about choosing the right idea and executing it well. In Kenya, the spirit of entrepreneurship is strong. Many people have built successful businesses from very small beginnings. With the right mindset and a willingness to work hard, you can also create something that not only supports you, but also grows over time. Recession-proof businesses are not just about surviving. They are about building stability and creating opportunities, even when things are tough. By focusing on essential needs, keeping costs low, and staying adaptable, you can create a business that stands strong in any situation. The journey may not be easy, but it is possible, and it can change your life in ways you never imagined.